morning, grade 5. The lesson today is how to make a newsletter using text box. You open Word and you click text box here and then click draw text box. The first thing you're going to do is to type or make a banner for the title or the headline of the newsletter. Alright? So try to think of fill in color. Let me put this color and the color of the text. The color of the text can be black or white or whatever you like. Okay, and the size, maybe for the title, make it big. Let's say 48. My title is about the Ranger newsletter. Okay, Ranger newsletter. The bottom part explains what is this all about. It's the, let's say, make it no spacing. So let me put Ranger back to 48 and the color white, and then the bottom part maybe just 16, and then explaining it's the official newsletter of the Student Council of Maputo International College. Let's say it's pretty big. Alright, there. Not like the style of the, make it a little bit, maybe this one, there. Okay. It's a bit very big. Maybe just like that. Okay? And then, when you're done with the title, we take up the outline there. Now you're ready to insert another text box for the stories there. Okay? Alright? And then, for example, you take stories from the internet. What happened to Lebanon? Alright? You type explosion in Lebanon. You're still creating the newsletter, so you do it one by one. Okay. So let's get it from CNN. Alright? When did it happen? Or what happened? It was August 6. Right? At least 37 were killed when a massive explosion occurred in Lebanon or in Beirut. It is caused by an explosion of the ammonium nitrate. Okay? So you go back to Word, you can copy that, or you can just make your own. Last August 6, 2020, massive, you can say like that, explosion happened in Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, wherein a stock pile of ammonium nitrate exploded there. About 3,000? About 137 people were killed and 5,000. About at least 137 people were killed and about 5,000 people, 5,000 were wounded in the said explosion. There. Okay. Now when you're done, you double click this line and click no line. Then you are ready for the next column. Let's put a title of this story. Let's type explosion in Lebanon. There. Okay, make it big. Go to home, big, bold, and make it there. See? Then you're ready for the next column or story, and then you can put a picture there also. Okay. Let's put some picture here. Go to images. Maybe this one. Click right, save images. Okay. Explosion in Lebanon. Okay. Go back to Word and then click insert picture. Go to the downloads and insert the picture there. Double click the picture, go to wrap, click in front of text there. Okay, there's a background, a black background here, so let's put it transparent there. Okay. Alright, arrange your story so it will look nice. That's it. How to make a newsletter using